plant some garlic. Ready. Garlic should be planted on before winter. So yeah, we're gonna have garlic for next year. I try to put it, hide that skin in the ground. I put a line so the garlic will be planted like that. Line of each other. I hide in the ground. Have some garlic here. So the line is there, should be. When you look at the garlic, this one should be the bottom. This one should be in there. Make use of the space in there. I think I still have more space. And here I put a line so I won't forget where I planted it. Did I plant here? Not yet. Not yet. I plant there. I did it there for winter time. They will grow. No, springtime. I mean, this is garlic. I know garlic in the Philippines is expensive. So this is the line I put this one. So I will remember where I planted the garlic. There. In there. In there. In there. In the garlic. There. I cannot remember what I planted some. Yeah, so you remember this line. Put deeper in the ground. It's hurting now. This is how we plant the garlic. I love my gardening. This is my hobby. Hobby in my life. To plant. All my tomato is gone now. And now I have I planted the tomato, and then now I remove the tomato. Now it's my garlic, the pepper.